Hi everyone, it's Jen and I am here with an ASC Supplies design team project. So that's ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com, and use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And today I have a mini album made from the Mother Goose collection, and this was my leftovers from the last two big mini albums I've done. So this is the third mini album in the row. I had the older collections, 12 by 12s, the solids and patterns. I had these flowers and the sticker sheets. So the front, this is a 4 by 8 by 2 inch spine album made of chipboard. I also had the pockets and tags, so you'll see a couple of those, but I used these 4 flowers that I made from the flower cutouts. I used the plain paper, the solids and patterns, I think, on the front, and the side I used the stickers just to spell baby out. And then on the back we have this cool pattern, and then I use one of the stickers there that says good night on the back. And then each one of these pages, they're built the same, so when I go into my smaller albums I tend to just repeat, so it's not so hard to pick the sizes of the papers I need. So we have some tags and such using the scraps, and lots of places to put your journaling and your photos. I did some fussy cutting from the signature page and then some more stickers here. This here is from the pockets and tags, and I just made a belly band out of this. You can slide something under there, and it is a pocket. I put a large tag in the pocket. And then the first page flips open. You have a big page on the back, one flap, which I think I used, every single one of them, I used the quilted pattern to mat, and then a large space here, and on the back of that is just something plain, and then we start over again. There are a couple variations, but for the most part that's it. So I won't be taking all the pockets, I won't be taking all the tags out because essentially they're all the same, but I will share with you most of the designs. And there are 8 pages altogether. Each page has, I guess you want to call them signatures, and then each page has 4 flaps or pockets or such in them, including, or not including, these flaps on the top. So this is a pocket, there's a tag. I won't pull that one out. And then we have that one that flips up. So I have several of these albums, and eventually, probably here before Christmas. So in the next couple weeks, I'll be putting them up on my Etsy. So if you have anybody that you may want to purchase albums for, I'll leave that in the description box below just in case. But if you are like me and you like making your own stuff, go over to ASC Supplies on Etsy and get yourself some cool stuff, and head over there right now because tomorrow is Black Friday, and we always do something for Black Friday. So this is the middle page. By the way, it's a little different. It's got a double pocket on each side, and then the pages go opposite. So you have the flap on the left side and then the pocket on the left side on the second one. So I switched it up the second half of the book for that. But yeah, guaranteed to have a sale Black Friday through Cyber Monday kind of thing. I'm sure we always do. So get your cart filled up so that all you have to do is push that button in the morning. And yeah, I can't wait. I'll have another haul here pretty soon. The back also has a pocket and a tag. There's a little tag. And one of the pockets and tags here. It slides out, super cool. Yeah. So there is the mini album. It's a 4 by 8 by 2 inch spine mini album. I hope you enjoyed looking at that. And don't forget the Mix 'em Up shakers. So I can't wait to play with these. I shared them on my last haul video. And we have the Halloween ones, which are just like little vampires and bats and stuff. So I can't wait to make those. And then we have 2 winter ones. So those will be an upcoming project. This one is cute. It's like Cosmos. It has like little Ouija boards and stars. And then we have the aliens, and I will be getting everything that I don't already have in my haul. So stay tuned for that. Again, head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy, asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal prices. And don't forget to fill up your cart today and see what kind of sale we have tomorrow. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye-bye.